Welcome to the inside of the Ecom Profit Masterclass. I'm so excited to have you in here. First off, I want to say congrats for taking such big initiative in your future and basically joining this program. I really want to emphasize that I want you guys to leave all your preconceived notions at the door. If you guys aren't making sales, I want you guys to drop what you're doing, go through every single one of these videos and pay massive amounts of attention to them. Basically write down notes, take your time with them. Don't try to rush through this course. Don't try to select different videos and go all out of order. Make sure you're going through this course in the structure with which it was set up, because it has a purpose, guys. It has a purpose, and this is what's gonna fuel your success. Last but not least, I want you guys to join the Facebook Mastermind, and there's a link down below this video, and basically join there. I want you guys to post your results. I want you guys to post your questions. I want you guys to answer questions. I want you guys to share what you think. Every week we're gonna have a live on there, basically answering your questions, you and me, one-on-one. We're also gonna be just going into all the strategies that we're currently using and what's working. So it's awesome to have you here. I'm very excited for you, and I can't wait to get started on this journey with you. So yeah, guys, thank you. I'm really looking forward to your success, and let's get started.